Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to download CentOS Stream 9 ISO image on Google Chrome. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To download CentOS Stream 9 ISO image, go to your browser and in address bar type CentOS.org. Now hit enter. CentOS official website has been opened. Now click on download tab. Now scroll down. By default 10 is selected. Click on 9 and you will find images as per your architecture. My architecture is 64-bit. That's why I am selecting 86_64 and I am downloading ISO. That's why click on mirror under ISO and look, the download is started. CentOS Stream 9 latest x86_64 ISO image, and now it's downloading. This is the easiest way to download CentOS Stream 9 ISO image from Google Chrome. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.